Hi, this is One Take Frank again, and today I'm going to make avocado toast with a poached egg and bacon. So before I get started with anything, I'm going to make my bacon first. And usually, what I do with bacon is rather than fry it on the stove and makes a mess, it splatters no matter what you do, no matter what temperature you set it at. What I do is I bake it in the oven, which comes out pretty good. So what I did right now is I separated the bacon onto a cookie sheet or a baking pan. And I tend to use thick cut bacon because I just like the way it, I think it kind of tastes better. It gives you something to sink your teeth into. It cooks a little bit better too. Although this kind of bacon here I just use right now kind of broke apart a little bit, which isn't going to make much of a difference because it's all going to cook the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take my my bacon. I'm going to stick it in the oven at 400 degrees for a half an hour. Now the important thing is that you don't have to do is you don't have to preheat the oven for this. It seems like if you just stick it, you turn the oven on at 400 degrees, stick it in the oven, in about 30 minutes it'll be perfect. So I'm going to stick that in the oven right now. Change my racks. I put it like on a higher rack to keep it a little higher up off from the bottom of the heating element, so it'll cook better that way. So we're back now again, and I had my bacon in the oven for about 25 minutes. So 25 minutes at 400 degrees, and we're going to take that in the oven. Oh man, that smells really good. Now look at this bacon. Where did it go, man? It just shrunk and just about disappeared. So I'm going to take my bacon out. I'm going to put on a couple of paper towels to help it drain out all the rest of the grease off and absorb the grease off the bacon. So we're going to do that. And then we'll start working on our avocado toast. Now when you make avocado toast, you can use any kind of bread you like. Whole wheat, white bread, pumpernickel, whatever you like. Today I'm going to be using like an Italian ciabatta bread. So that kind of tastes pretty good. I just like the way ciabatta breads toast. It's actually very good. Okay, so this bacon's off. I'm going to just leave it here to absorb that grease on the side for right now. We're going to come back to that later. Man, it's hot. Whew. All right, I'm going to just dispose of my tray in my Italian summer kitchen, which is just an extra kitchen, not really an Italian summer kitchen. Okay. All right, with that being done there, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how we prepare the avocado. So when I get avocados, I use a Hass avocado, okay, and I always wash it first because, you know, whenever you cut into the avocado, I don't want to introduce any bacteria, whatever's on the outside of the avocado. So I wash it first. Then I cut the avocado all around the pit. Now, if you know avocados, they do have that big pit in the middle, so you can kind of just squirt all around the pit. And then once you've done that, you just twist the avocado and pull it apart, and there you go. Perfect. To get rid of the pit, I always use this little technique where you kind of just make a little slit into the pit, just twist it, it just comes right out like that. So you're good to go. There you go with that. Now this avocado, I'm going to scoop out, but I notice there's a couple little brown spots in there. I'm going to just take those out first. A couple on the edge right there. You know, whenever someone first told me about making avocado toast, I thought that avocado toast, that you take an avocado, you dry it out, you turn it to avocado flour or powder, you mix it with a little water, a little yeast, then you make avocado dough, and then you would take it and bake an avocado bread, and then you take the avocado bread, you slice it, and you toast it, and that would be your avocado toast. But I was wrong. It's simply just toasted bread of your choice with sliced avocado on top. Little pepper, little salt, it's great. Okay, so now that I got my avocado split in half, I'm going to attempt to take out the whole avocado half. And I do that by kind of going alongside the avocado, as you can see here. I just want to get the whole half of the avocado out in one piece. There we go. That seemed to work out pretty good. Almost pretty good. There we go. There's that. Just get that little piece off of there. Very good. I'll leave that to the side. take out this other avocado. Now while I'm doing this, I already I got my pot on the stove, just a medium-sized pot. I got it just about ready to boil. I don't think you want the water boiling too hard when you're going to drop the eggs in there. When I poach my eggs, I just kind of drop them into the hot water and let them just form in the water themselves for about 3 minutes, and then I'll take them out and I'll get this ready. So that's my avocado for now. Looks like a little choppy because I don't know, it's just the way it's stuck to the skin. But once I slice it and spread out, it's going to look really nice on top of the toast. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to go ahead and see how my water temperature is. Again, I don't want it boiling, but I want it just to bubble on the bottom, which it is right now. I'm going to let it go a little bit longer. I'm going to just check one thing here. Because I do have my toast in my Italian summer kitchen toasting in there. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to slice this avocado lengthwise, as you can see. Just nice and easy. There you go. And we're going to fan that out on top of the toast once it's ready. I love this cute little cutting board, don't you guys at home? It's perfect for what we're doing right now. I tell you, I hate when you get these avocados with these little brown spots on them. But again, with one take, Frank, how many avocados would I go through and keep retaking, right? So I'm going to just do it just like this. I'm going to slice this one here a little bit. And we're going to fan that out on top of our toast in just a second. Once our toast is ready. Okay, check on our water, see how we're doing. The water's just about ready to boil. It's starting to bubble on the bottom. I'm going to let it go just another minute or two. Bacon seemed to absorb the fat really well on here. I'm going to go and I'm going to check on our toast. But you know what? I was just thinking, sometimes to make things look a little better, think about getting some blueberries on here, right? Maybe some fruit with our avocado toast. So I'm going to get a couple blueberries right here in my little bowl, my side bowl here for presentation. And, oh man, rolling all over the place here. All right, doing good. I'm going to just give a nice rinse. Well, things you can do while you're waiting for things, right? Always have to make it good use of your time. All right, that's perfect. I'll leave that right here to dry. Get all the rest of the water out of there. That's nice right there. Okay. Gonna check out my toast. Oh, let me get my plate for my toast. Okay, so I got my toast right here, ready to go. That's just how my son likes it, because I really don't eat bacon. I'm cooking bacon, right? Don't even eat it. But that's just the way it is. So I'm going to just break a couple pieces. Just one slice is plenty on each slice of toast. That's good. I'm going to come back here right now because I think the water is just about ready. So what I'm going to do is, there's a couple techniques of doing this. You can just crack the egg right into the water, or you could just swirl the water around. Some places like to tell you to swirl the water, and when you crack the egg into the swirling water, you kind of make like a little vortex where it spins around. The egg seems to form better that way. But now that I made the vortex, I don't know how hot that water is. I'm going to let it go a little bit longer. Yeah, just another second before I do that. But while I'm doing that, I could take this avocado here, and I'm going to fan it right on top of this toast. Oh yeah, there you go. That looks good. Fan it away. There you go, just like that. I think we're going to have a little extra avocado here. Maybe we can make a little guacamole with it. Not really sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but we'll see. Make a little presentation here with that. Little avocado all around. That looks pretty good. What I might do, I think I might just put this avocado here for a little better presentation. Ooh. Yeah, put a little avocado. Little avocado. You know, sometimes it's all about the presentation. There you go. How's that? I think Cameraman Jonathan likes his little extra avocado with his avocado toast. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go right here. I'm going to put my eggs in the water. I'm going to just crack them right in. There we go. One egg right there, perfect. Swirling around. And I'm going to give it one more right here, just like that. Perfect. Okay. We can just let that go a little bit. I'm going to separate a little bit because it kind of got too close together. But that's good. I'm going to let it go for a minute or two. You're getting all this little film on top, but that's going to be okay. All right, you can back up there, John. We'll just wait for those to get done. There we go. All right, we're good. We're going to let that go for, oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to set my timer. For 3 minutes. Okay. Once those eggs are ready, we're going to go back and see how they come out. The eggs are just about done now, so we're going to take them out. Now, what I like to do is, rather than put them on a paper towel or on a towel, the paper towel tends to stick to it. So what I tend to do is, I use a couple different things. I have this little strainer that I use. For, you know, you can use it for a lot of different things, like gnocchi or whatever you want to strain the pot. But I'm going to use this for these eggs. And what I do is I take the eggs out, let it drain a little bit, and then I just put it right onto a dish towel. And that'll help absorb the whatever moisture's on there, on the dish towel itself. And I'm going to use a different type of straining spoon. And just lay that there too, just to let the excess moisture get absorbed off of there. Now these eggs, they didn't come out. I think what I need to do was actually put the water a little bit hotter when I drop them in there, but they're going to be fine. And also, these aren't extra large eggs or jumbo eggs. They're just large eggs, so they're going to tend to look a little smaller. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just place the eggs onto the avocado toast. Uh-oh. That slipped right away from me there. There we go, right there. And this one here, I'm going to put right on here, just like that. There we go. Perfect. Where's those blueberries? We're going to put them right here like that. And there you have it, guys. Right there. Poached eggs with bacon, avocado, and blueberries. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. Hope to see you soon. You know, if you like these videos, definitely subscribe to our site. Really would appreciate that. And enjoy. This is Red and Found the Youth. So, till next time, I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.